Hey, excuse me. Do you mind if I take a picture?
My picture?
Yeah.
I mean, sure. What for?
So I have a page in it. So I'm making a video of taking pictures of people. So that is what I do.
Okay.
It's my page. So I like your style. So I just want to take a
No,
picture.
sure. Okay, yeah. Why not?
Thank you.
How do you want it?
I'll take from this side. Yeah. What's your name?
Kirsty.
Sorry?
Kirsty.
Casti.
Yeah, nice to
to
meet
meet
you.
you. I'm Jubin.
Nice to meet you. Sure, okay, how do you want me? Looking like at you?
Yeah.
Okay. My hair, sorry. Ah!
You look really good actually.
Oh my god, okay.
Can you look at the big van?
Sure.
A little bit towards here. Yeah. So there you go.
Oh my god, okay. Oh wow. Very professional. Okay. Cool, okay.
So good. You look really good.
Thank you. I mean, I'm surprised the wind was like,
Yeah.
But yeah, okay,
Cheers.
awesome. I mean, do you need like my Instagram or something?
Yeah, of course.
Sure. I'll give you, I have one, I do drawings, so I'll give you
Oh,
that
really?
one. Yeah,
Sure.
it's public, so
That's fine. That's fine.
it's
You can type
I'll put
in
it.
here for me.
amazing.
Yeah, cool.
I mean, I just followed myself, so it should
sure.
come through. Oh,
We should
thank
be
you.
getting- Cheers.
Good luck.
It was
with-
nice meeting you.
Thank you. Good luck with whatever you're doing. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Here's
Excuse me. Do you mind if I take your photo?
Why?
So I have a page on Instagram where I'll show you. So that's my page. So I just take pictures of people and post them on social media.
Oh god, I don't know what to do. What should I do if you take a photo?
Just give me a normal pose. Just stand there. I'll take a picture. It's just gonna take 1 or 2 minutes.
Do you want me to keep my headphones on?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me to look at the camera?
Yes.
Okay.
What's your name?
Gabby.
Gabby.
What's your
Nice to
name?
meet you. I'm Jupi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice. Can you look there, Gabby? Just. I'll take one more. You can stand here for me, please, in the shade.
Sure. Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
Aww. Thank you so much. Can I grab a photo?
Sure.
Or I could just follow you on your Instagram.
Cool.
And then...
Go on the note.
Thank you so much. Will you be posting them?
Yes, I
Yeah?
will.
Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.
Sure.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Thank you.